Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English Odyssey with me. Today I again came back in front of you to practice my speaking because it's very good way to improve our speaking. And every day I lots of things I do to improve my English speaking. And every day I try to memorize some word, and I try to use this word in this sentence. And I always practice with my friends, and I trying also telling to story in others, because it also this is the great way to improve our fluency. Because whenever you will try to say a story, it will improve your vocabulary and your fluency. So it's very important for me and also you, where if you are beginner, you can do this every day. And every day I hear some listening, and for example BBC News I every day hear, because it will make me some skills in English. Because whenever you will hear some news and or some English videos, you if you watch, it will improve your understanding of the foreigners, of the native speaker. So you have to try your best to learn English if you want to learn. And and it is a great things to learn English. In the demand of English day by day is increasing, and if you have English skill, you will get lots of job easily. And if you can able to go abroad, and you will take IELTS exam, and you can show your English proficiency by learning English. So be careful and learn English. Okay.